Good morning, student. Today I want to explain 4.5 The Old Man and the Sea. It's a book review. Okay, what is meant by book review? A review is like an analysis which explains in brief the outline of the contents of the book, its features and its writing style. Okay, now before starting the lesson, let's see warming up session. See page number 174. Pair up with your partner and answer the following questions. That is easy questions. Ask which animal would you relate to yourself and why? I would relate to myself to a dog. Why? It's a faithful animal. Do you have a hero or a role model to look up to? Who is he or she? Yes, my role model is my parents. Okay? Why? You write, huh? Next, do you have a passion you would fight for? Why? You write your own, okay? What is meant by a review? Okay? A review is a published descriptions and opinion of a book, film or a play. Okay. Have you ever read any book review? If yes, which one? If no, when are you going to read one? Yes, I have read many reviews. Example, Merchant of Venice. Next, question number 2. Make a list of famous novels of Ernest Hemingway. 2 are given to you. A Farewell to Arms, For Whom the Bell Tolls, The Old Man and the Sea, A Movable Feast, Hills Like White Elephants, The Sun Also Rises, Green Hills of Africa. You write your own, okay, few names. Now see, question number 3. Ernest Miller Hemingway was a famous American novelist. Okay. Now make a list other famous American novelists. Harper Lee, Mark Twain, Toni Morrison, Alice Walker, Nathaniel Hawthorne, etc. Now open page number 175, The Old Man and the Sea. Okay, this chapter is a book review of Ernest Hemingway's short novel, The Old Man and the Sea. Okay, now see first. An old and experienced Cuban fisherman has a run of terrible bad luck and is unable to catch any fish for 84 days. Now listen here. An old and experienced Cuban fisherman. Okay, actually Cuban means Cuba country. One who lives in Cuba are called Cuban. Okay, Cuban fisherman has a run of terrible bad luck. Why? He is unable to catch any fish for 84 days. His young and devoted apprentice means assistant, okay? His name Manolin has been forced by his parents to start working with another fisherman. Now his servant Manolin's parents forced him. You start working with another fisherman. Why another fisherman? Here unable to catch any fish for 84 days. No, his master. So, okay, his assistant's parents forced him to work with another fisherman. The old man resolves to sail out farther than all the other fishermen and attempt to catch the really big fish. On the 85th day, he succeeds in hooking a marlin with his bait. But the marlin is too strong for him and starts pulling the boat. The Old Man and the Sea is the story of the old man's struggle with the marlin and his later battle against sharks. Okay, now see, the old man at last 85th day he caught a marlin, a big fish. Okay, with this bait. Actually, bait means food that put on a hook to attract fish. Okay, the old man and the sea is the story of the old man's struggle with the marlin. Marlin means big fish. Okay, any large saltwater are given meaning. Okay, in detail given meaning. The old man and sea is the story of the old man's struggle with the marlin and his later battle against sharks. Okay, now see, actually this lesson, okay, talks about an old and experienced Cuban fisherman and his apprentice named Manolin. Manolin is loyal to the old man despite his parents pressuring him into working with another fisherman, as the old man has been unable to catch a fish since 84 days. On the 85th day, the old man decides to venture further into the sea with the aim of catching a big fish. He manages to catch a marlin with his bait, but the marlin is too strong and it starts pulling the boat instead. The story revolves around the old man's struggle against the marlin and later against the sharks. Now see second para, social or historical context. Hemingway's novel is based on real events and it also draws heavily on his own life. Always his story based on real events and it also draws heavily on his own life. He had experience of fishing in the Cuban waters and like the old man, he was also a fan of baseball. He worked for the Red Cross during the First World War and was injured by shrapnel when he was in Italy. Okay, shrapnel meaning already given there. Okay, in detail you read that. Hemingway always talks about the need to struggle against defeat or death and how determination and endurance can help one to win in this struggle. The old man is at the end of the novel very near death, but we know that the story of his suffering and loss will live on in the memories of the people of his village. Ultimately, his story becomes one of triumph because the tales of his life will live on even after his death. The novel was published in 1952 when people were trying to recover from the page number 176 mass destruction wrought by the two world wars, and this tale of endurance and ultimate triumph immediately struck a chord with the readers. Okay, now listen second para. Based on real events, this novel also has a lot of similarity to its author Ernest Hemingway's life. Like the old man, Hemingway too had fishing experience and was a baseball fan. He was injured by shrapnel in Italy when he was working for the Red Cross during the First World War. Hemingway believed that determination and endurance can help one win the battle against defeat or death. Although the old man was about to die towards the end of the novel, the story of his struggle and his loss remained in the memories of the people of his village, thus making his story one of triumph as it lives on even after his death. when the novel was written in 1952. It immediately struck a chord with the people as it was a story of endurance and triumph, and they too were trying to recover from the destruction brought about by the two world wars. Now see next para, writing style. Hemingway's writing style, okay? Hemingway's language is simple and pithy, okay? Pithy means brief. He mostly writes in short and straightforward sentences and practices an extreme economy in his use of words. This simplicity is deceptive, and a reader can read his work again and again and find new layers of meaning every time, which means Hemingway's writing is straightforward and concise and his language simple and brief. The simplicity of his writing helps the reader find new layers of meaning each time they read his works. Now again see last para, my thoughts. Okay, I first read this novel years ago when I did not understand it at all and was left unimpressed. Okay, first while read this novel when he did not understand it at all and was left unimpressed. In spite of this, a vivid image remained with me. An old man holding on to his fishing line with the last of his strength. Recently, I read this book again and was extremely moved. The formidable strength of the old man's character. Formidable means causing fear. The quiet devotion of the empathetic means spoken strongly. Manolin, and the relationship between the two are heartwarming. Hemingway's descriptions of the sea and the creatures of the water are beautiful. The marlin fights for its life desperately, and it's hard to know whether our sympathies should lie with the old man or with the marlin. But as the novel progresses, the old man and the marlin are inseparably linked because both stand for the same ideals. That is a noble struggle against destruction. Okay, now listen. See last para. The narrator was unimpressed with the novel at first, but it managed to leave a vivid image in his mind. The narrator was touched when he read the novel again and admired the strength of the old man's character, Manolin's devotion, and the heartwarming relationship between the two, servant and master. Okay, relation between the two. He appreciates Hemingway's beautiful description of the sea and the creatures of the water. He even talks about the reader's conflict of sympathizing with the marlin or the old man, as they both stand for the same ideal of struggling against destruction. Now see English workshop page number 176. First question, read the passage and name the following. Young and devoted apprentice Manolin. The place where Hemingway had experience of fishing Cuban waters. Hemingway was injured by during First World War. Answer, a shrapnel. Next, language of the novel, simple and pithy. In his first reading, the review, the writer was left unimpressed. Now see second question. Correct the following sentences using facts from the review. See, first question, Manolin's parents insisted on his working with the same old fisherman. Actually, Manolin's parents insisted on him changing his work, or they had been forced by his parents to start another fisherman. Second, this novel is a pure fiction. This novel is a real experience or real events. Hemingway's style of writing does not unfold the hidden meaning. Actually, Hemingway's style of writing unfold the hidden meaning. The relationship between the old man and Manolin is coarse. Actually, the relationship between the old man and Manolin is heartwarming. Okay. Now, see next question. Page number 177. Here, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, board reduced portion. Okay. Now see question number 7. Read the text again. You will find that the text contains many phrases. Match the phrases and make sentences of your own. That make sentences of your own, your homework. Now see, match the phrases. Run of terrible bad luck, which means a period of time when bad things happen. Draws heavily on, makes use of, that means struck a chord, hit on a topic, in spite of, without being affected by a particular factor, holding on, endure in difficult circumstances. Okay, now see question number 8. Rewrite as directed without change the meaning. Okay. Hemingway's novel is based on real events. Convert the underlined adjective to an adjectival clause. Okay. Now listen answer. Hemingway's novel is based on events that are real. Okay. Second one, he hooks a marlin, but the marlin is too strong for him. Rewrite beginning with although. Listen, although he hooks a marlin, it is too strong for him. Okay. Next, page number 178. The reader can read his work again and again and find new layers of meaning. Begin the sentence with on reading. Okay. Now listen. On reading his work again and again, the reader can find new layers of meaning. Okay. Next, fourth one. As the novel progresses, the old man and the marlin are inseparably linked. Rewrite using progress as a noun. Okay. As the novel makes progress, the old man and the marlin are inseparably linked. Next question. When I first read this novel, I was unimpressed. Listen answer. I read the novel first, but I was unimpressed. Now, question number B. Write the root word after dropping the prefix or suffix or both. Okay, you have to write only root word. Okay, base form of verb or present tense. Okay, only root word. Unable, able. Heavily, heavy. Determination, determine. Endurance, endure. ENDURE. Unimpressed, impress. Relationship, root word, relation. Inseparably, root word, separable. Empathetic, root word, empathy. Beautiful, root word, beauty. Simplicity, simple. And question number 9, 10 and 11, board reduced portion. Complete your workbook. Thank you.